In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Shopify payouts. Getting your payout timing right helps you manage cash flow, plan inventory, and keep your bookkeeping clean. So let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. First, sign into your Shopify admin using the store you want to manage. If you have multiple stores, make sure you're in the correct one before changing payout settings because payout schedules apply per store. You'll also want to have Shopify Payments set up and connected to a valid bank account since payout scheduling is part of Shopify Payments. If you don't see Shopify Payments in your admin, it may not be available in your region or it might not be activated yet. Once you're in the admin, head to Settings. You'll find it in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. On some layouts, it appears as a small gear icon. Either way, click it to open the full settings menu. From there, select Payments. This is where all payment provider settings live. Look for the Shopify Payments section at the top of the page. If it's active, you'll see details about your account and bank information. Click Manage in the Shopify Payments section. This opens a page with all the key controls for your payment configuration. You'll notice options for things like fraud prevention and bank details, but for now we're focusing on how and when you get paid. Scroll down until you see Payout Schedule. This section determines the frequency at which Shopify groups your available funds and sends them to your bank. Keep in mind that there's always a standard payout delay and bank processing time, which varies by country and bank. The schedule controls the grouping and timing, but actual arrival can still take a couple of business days. Choose the payout frequency that fits your business. Daily sends funds as they become available. Weekly lets you pick a specific day of the week, which many merchants align with their accounting cycle. Monthly lets you pick a specific date, which can be useful for rent, payroll, or vendor payments. If your selected day falls on a weekend or bank holiday, your bank will usually process it on the next business day. Also note that changing the schedule affects future payouts. Anything already pending will typically follow the current timeline. When you're happy with the selection, click Save. You should see a confirmation that your settings were updated. To double check, you can return to the Payouts area to view upcoming dates and reconcile against your expected cash flow. As a final tip, review your payouts regularly, watch for chargebacks or reserves that can delay funds, and remember you can adjust the schedule anytime as your business needs change.